today's video, I'm gonna make a review about Adobe Lightroom and also Luminar Neo. So these are photo editing tools, and if you are a beginner, then make sure that you watch this video till the end, or even if you are an advanced photo editor, then this video will help you make a decision on which photo editing tool to focus on. First, Lightroom learning curve is so steep. For you to learn how to use Adobe Lightroom, it's quite a challenge. And if you are a beginner, I'll not recommend you going for the Lightroom. I'll recommend going to Luminar Neo because it's easy to use and navigate through. And also, they have many AI tools that can help you. For example, we have Enhance AI. And this AI tool will help you enhance your photo. For example, you can see it's easy to enhance your photo. Look at this. And that is the standout feature of Luminar Neo. It's easy to use for beginners, but if you are an advanced user, go for Lightroom. Same case to pricing. Let's check out the pricing of Adobe Lightroom. For the small tie, or the least amount you can pay, it's $11.99 US per month, and you need to pay it annually, meaning it's around 120 to even 150 US per year, and that is the bottom tie. And with this least amount that you can pay per month, you will not have access to Photoshop on desktop, Photoshop on iPad. You will only use for mobile device. So for you to use it on your laptop and also iPad, you need to go for the more expensive option. That is $14, almost $15 per month, or even the Creative Cloud All Apps, which is $59 per month. Let's now compare it with Luminar Neo. For Luminar Neo, they are currently offering a discount, a 75% discount, and you only need to pay $49 per year. Per year, just get it per year, and you will get access to Luminar Neo Photo Editor, 100 creative add-ons, Luminar Neo video courses, and Luminar Neo handbook gift. But here is where people make a mistake. They go for the 12-month subscription instead of going for the lifetime perpetual license. And with the lifetime perpetual license, you only pay once, meaning that you only need less than $100, which is much better than Lightroom 11 or $12 per month. If you sum it for a whole year, it is more than $100 US. So if you are a beginner, go for Luminar Neo, and I'll leave a link in description for you to access the 75% discount. And this is what you will get with the lifetime access for just $75 US. One, let's go to Luminar Neo Photo Editor. These are the AI tools you will get: AI Enhancer, Structure AI. You will click on it and let's see what it does. Let's wait for the video to load so that we can see. You can see all this is available, and they also offer a course so that you can learn how to utilize these AI tools. Composition AI also there. So what you need to do is only to follow the tutorials that they are providing. So if you are a beginner, go for Luminar Neo. And essential is not the only thing. We have landscape. Let's click on landscape. We have things like Sky AI. This Luminar Neo photo editing software has done its best in terms of AI compared to Lightroom. That's why Luminar Neo right now is trending, because it is beginner friendly, affordable, and anyone can use it. Even a kindergarten kid can use this. and they come with various aspects. All these are available for less than $100. Let's see the 100 creative add-ons. This is the game changer here. For example, let's put Prim's light overlay. You can see, and this is very simple to use, so you don't need to spend hours and hours learning like in the Lightroom, Adobe Lightroom. So in case you are getting started with photo editing, then this is the best tool, and you can start a business, where you'll be editing photos for people and use this. Imagine just paying $79 once, and you'll be able to set up your business. Look at this. Experimental overlays, all for just $79. Instead of paying over $100 for Adobe, which is expensive, look at what this Luminar Neo can do for you. Land on of the rising sun. You see, all these are available and they are easy to use. Look at what this AI tool can do. It can enhance your photo by just swiping through some few buttons and your photo will look amazing. Camping trip. Let's see this. Look at this, from this to that mode. It's so clear. So in case you want to get started with Luminar Neo, they have a discount, and for the discount code, check out the link in description. Look at this, guys, and it's easy to use. Comparing with Adobe, I'll always go for this, and they also come with Luminar Neo courses. About the courses, what you will learn, watch the process, get the photos like this. All these courses are available for just the $79, a one-time payment, and with the discount, you should not miss out from this. So what I'll encourage you is to go for the lifetime perpetual license, so that you can get everything on Luminar Neo, unlike going for the Lightroom, which is limited. For example, this one, the list is almost $12, and you have to pay it yearly times 12. That is around $144, double the price of the lifetime access of Luminar Neo. And what about the other options? 14, almost $15 times 12. That is around 15 times 12 is around how many $? Almost 160 to 180 $. Everything here is double the price you will get for Luminar Neo, and it's beginner friendly in Luminar Neo. Going through Photoshop and enhancing photos on Lightroom is not easy compared to Luminar Neo. So in case you want to get started with photo editing software, Luminar Neo is the best, and make sure that you grab the discount that is being offered at the moment. So between Adobe and Luminar Neo, there are two things that stand out. One, consider, are you a beginner in terms of photo editing? If you are just a beginner, go for Luminar Neo. If you are more skilled, go for Adobe. And also the price. In terms of pricing, if you don't want to spend more, then Luminar Neo is the best, and you will get almost 90% of what you will get in Adobe Lightroom. But if you have money and you want to do Photoshop, go for the Adobe Lightroom. And that's it. In case you have learned something, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with your friends.